will have a shuttle.
Ayan sila.
Diyan ka na lang.
Care about you.
Ayan.
Personnel for rigid inspection.
Hi guys, it's March 28th and it's Babe's birthday. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Your attention please.
Kakainis.
You'll find out
number 24 series of 2024.
Thank you. Morning. Let's eat this. Breakfast.
With you and watch your step.
Guys, so we just got here at Pudong International Airport. So we're here in Shanghai for my birthday. It's actually birthday today. Bili lang tayong water. Tara.
We will have a short rest because that is a highway station. So the place you can go use the toilet, you can buy some food because today the lunch is by our.
Hindi nagsalita buong trip. Naka-tour kasi kami. It's March 28 and it's Babe's birthday. And where are we? We are in
China! But today, nasa Hangzhou kami. From Shanghai, nag-travel kami for around 2 hours.
So we're here sa parang old,
Old town. Xinxi Old Town.
And they're, changing to the,
traditional Chinese.
But we don't like. So, yan yun. Dyan yun.
Yeah, like that.
So, sila upstairs. Pero kami mag-ikot na kami. And then, we're gonna have tea there. Later, ba daw?
Yeah.
Sabi niya later weekend.
Now, even now, either you change or roam around or mag-tea ka na. Yung mga snacks and may mga fruits, mga cookies.
Oh, later na lang.
Yeah,
we're just gonna roam around and take
roam around
pictures.
na kami.
Sama kayo.
Kasi hindi naman kami mag-change. Na 2 AM pa kasi yan.
Hindi mo na aanahin. Hindi mo papalitan ng ano.
Nandun nga sa big luggage. Sa big luggage.
Okay. Okay guys, so it's 2:43 and naninigas na si Babe. Yan, wag mag-heat tech. Naka-heat-tech kasi ako. The weather ay the 6. Ay, actually, no. 7. 7 pa lang to. Ay, kanina nga, 6 to. Anyway, look. Bew. Yan. This is Hangzhou. Hangzhou. So nice here. Ay, look. There tayo sa dun, no? Sa mga gano'n. Ay, wait. Oh, sige, picture tayo. Nice. Nice too. Doon, no, babe. Ayaw mo doon? Paikot. Okay, picturean ko daw siya. We're roaming around the name?
Xingxi Old Town. It's nice here, guys. Parang divided na siya doon sa bungad, yung parang developed na part.
And I think may mga residents po dyan.
Yeah.
Dun sa vlog na napanood namin. But it's nice. I think it's nice here pag gabi. Pwede ata mag-boating dyan.
Actually.
Bridge. Gonna go to the bridge. I think this is just a small town. Paikot lang. Pero madami pa doon sa nadaanan natin kanina, di ba? Diba, babe?
Even dun sa...
Ito yung mga houses nila before. Just cute, no? Nice. Nice, Sue. And ang lamig. Doon nga sana eh. As in, guys? 6 to 6. Ay, 6 ba? 6 sa app. 6 sa weather app. So, yun. Mas malamig pa to sa Japan. Naninigas na yung mga kamay namin. Nice here sa China. Malinis. Pero yung CR nila, no? Ito sa airport nila.
Meron yung nasa ground. Tapos meron naman yung normal na toilet. Toilet bowl.
Nakita akong KFC kami.
Basta, is that pabilihan ng pasalubong? Parang.
Nice, no? Nice dito, guys. Malamig. Ay! Teka, send ako video kay Lario.
Yes, it's nice here, guys.
Just shout up sa inyo.
Marami dyan mga bote, pero siguro depende sa season. Ngayon kasi like, it's very peaceful and calm. Kami lang tao. Ay, hindi naman. Pero, wala masyadong boat. Sa TikTok, as in parang ang daming nagbo-boat, tapos, may mga open na establishments. Ngayon medyo close lahat. Pero okay lang, nice din.
Siguro dati dito lang sila naglalaba. Dito, guys. Diyan.
Where?
Or swim. Kaya ang saya. So nice. Ay, return kita dito. Harap kaya ako doon, babe. Pero nakakatakot. Yan, dyan sila naglalaba siguro dati. Kaya mag-swimming ka lang. Swimming ako nga, nakala ko. Ayun! Sabi sa'yo dun, o. Tingnan mo.
What's that?
Ayun o, naglalaba pa.
Okay.
Hindi yan totoong tao, ha?
Oo nga, sample lang ma. Saan? Ano?
So we went the other side na to. Ayan, yan yun. Yan. Babe, pag sabi kong yan, mapakita mo
yeah.
ka ba?
Kasi nga may mga residents pa.
Oh, ayan. Picture na to. Ayan, nag-change yung mga kasama namin sa tour na
Yeah, that's
costume. Kami ayaw namin kasi wala lang.
Tamad na. Char!
Saka tired na. Anyway, ayan. Diba, iba na ko. Basta may mga residents pa dito. So, yun. I wonder how sila paggabi.
Babe.
Parang scary eh.
Yeah, but they have electricity here. Tingnan mo may mga aircon.
Oh, yun. That's
Here, ayan, may mga aircon pa nga sila. Diba?
Taiwan din. Kasi pero iba yung views here. Ayun o, may tapos pero yung mga residents dito, mga senior.
Senior, yes.
Ang cute nila. Saan natin sila? Saan mo sila? There's a temple pala here. Is this a temple nga? O parang museum?
Museum pala.
Museum. Oo, parang museum. Ayun. No, just
film viewing.
check lang natin. Film viewing talaga. Hindi pwede mamaya may bayad dito dyan. Yeah, meron nga. Let's see. Let's see what's inside. Siguro sila yung mga residents dito before, Bay. History ng na to. Ng town. Nice. Parang library siguro nila. Walang tao. Meron pa there. It's until there pala sa pa. Doon. Sa kabilang side. Pasok tayo doon? Or wag na?
No, there's not.
Okay. Picture lang. I don't care about you.
And this is a small baby. So at picking, we only pick these small baby tea leaves. You should remember, green tea, it doesn't mean more green is better. The color is yellow and the size is smaller. That means better quality. Okay, who have the real interest about the tea, at least here they can guarantee the quality, right? Like our tea. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Please welcome to our tea village. Nice to meet you. Okay. If the water is too hot, will kill the nutrition of the tea. Yeah. So we should boil the water first, then cool down for 3 minutes. Then you can use it. Okay. Do you want to try? Very good. Okay. Very fresh, very green. Okay. And many people say that it smells like seaweed.
Ah, yes.
Fresh. Yeah. Yeah, all of them. Water. Okay. Because for the experiment, at first I will crush it. You can just swallow it. Yeah. 30 minutes later, reach in your stomach. I just mentioned this one. I put some water to dissolve it. Very strong anti-10 cups of black tea because it's highly concentrated. Yes, okay.
Going, so we're having dinner finally. So I think we're gonna have yung specialty nila dito sa Shanghai, which is yung tungpo pork daw, which is a fatty braised pork. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. Weird. Water.
Ay, ganda. Tingnan mo. Hindi mo nakita.
Hi guys. So we're finally checked in. 9:30 na. So whole day kaming nag-tour outside. So eto, I'll show you guys the room later na lang yung sa lobby area kasi ang dami naming dala earlier and low bat na.
Hi guys, 9:30 na. So from last night hanggang 9:30. Grabe.
Tinalo yung Taiwan na 15 hours.
Ay, nalagagi. 15 hours lang. Oo, straight yun. Nag-tour kami from, ano yun? From airport to here. And, yun. I'm gonna do a quick room tour for you. Kasi si Bebo parang antok yung room. Ay, nawala yung ano ko. Ayun yung pakaw. Anyway.
The house.
Game. Wait, I'm gonna go outside again. So, that's our hallway. In-upgrade kami kasi fully booked daw yung Holiday Inn Express. So, nasa Holiday Inn talaga kami now. And this is our room. Wait. Ay! Sinarhan ako. Yan. O, diba? It's really big. Meron pang pa-office dyan. Kunwari.
If you want na no.
Ah, yeah, there's food kasi may free food yung tour. Pero, of course, minsan mahihiya ka kasi share-share kayo dun. So, medyo nagugutom pa ako. And we'll try to check sa baba. Anyway, ayan, room tour ulit. Ayan, may mga cabinets. Nandito na kasi yung mga ano namin eh. I think meron pang menu. Oh, there's one more menu. Can you get? Oh. Ay, hindi pala. There's cabinet, and then mini fridge. Tapos, yan, parang office. Oh, office. Desk, or whatever. This mirror. There's another mirror here. And ito, I think, ay mga cabinet ba to? Ay, hindi pala siya cabinet.
No, kasi the closet's inside the bathroom.
So, ito yung bathroom. See, it's big. Ay, ano to?
Closet.
Hindi, may mask na something. Pang ano na talaga. Yan. And then, may, ano yan? Ano? Ah, safe.
Safe.
Yan. And then there. And then, yeah. And it's really big, guys. The CR is really big. Parang isang room na rin siya sa normal hotel. Yon. And then, yan, yung bed, queen size. And then, I think we have a view ng Hangzhou. Hangzhou? Hangzhou. Ah, there's KFC!
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, mag-try na lang tayo niyan. And then, ayan, it's already 10. It's tomorrow. Ano oras yun, natin? Ayan, welcome to Shanghai! Ay, Hangzhou. Hangzhou. So, nakuha namin to, guys, sa Holi Break, yung tour. Nag-tour kami kasi nga, China ay may visa. So, if dun kami sa tour, if you're gonna get a tour, ano siya, group visa. And, mas higher chances of winning. Hindi, syempre mas easy. Group visa nga, so wala ka nang aalalahanin. Ano lang, passport lang ang inano namin, pinasa, tsaka picture, 1 by 1. Or basta may measurements. I-ask nyo na lang yung agency. Yun. And we got this for 26.
Around ganyan.
Ganyan. Pero wala pa yung Disney, ha? So, yung Disney, DIY namin. So, watch out na lang for the vlog. So, we're gonna go down and we'll try to check kung ano pang mabibili naming makakain. And kung may Lawson. Kasi may kailangan kaming stuff. Yan. So, come with us. And sobrang lamig pala. Ano ngayon? March 28. And yung is, kanina is 6. Ano ngayon?
I think it's still 6, but let me check it. Yeah, 7. Actually 7 and then
Feels like
6 degrees.
6. Tapos, malamig as in, nanonood. Abot na lang, prepared kami. Anyway, ayun. We'll go down. Bye! Let's go down.
Okay, so
We don't have an umbrella. Ay, hello. Ganto na lang. Let's go. Edi ina-note ko. Ay, parang hindi tayo pumasok kanina. Ah, okay. Okay, so
dito wala. Dito ka na lang kayo videoan kita.
wag na. We're here downstairs na and mag-walk na kami. Hanap kami ng makakainan. This is our hotel. Wait, I'm gonna zoom. Lamig. Ayaw na mag-ano nung kamay ko.
So this is our hotel, guys. So nice outside and it's so cold.
Ayun o. Tayo dalawa ang basic mo. Hindi kita ikaw.
Side view yata like ito. May side view yata.
Ayaw makita. Anyway, we're walking. Sobrang lamig. Yeah, pwede.
Parang na tayo inside mo.
Hindi. Ayan, so ayan pala yung Holiday Inn Express. Dapat dyan kami. Pero fully booked daw. So dun kami sa
Main
Holiday Inn. Yeah. Of course, mas maganda yon.
It's the good news nga daw.
Yeah, it's the good news. And ano yun? Vats, liquor store. May nakita kaming KFC kanina and we're looking for it. Kasi
Pwede kung kayo mga dyan, dito go to dyan sa liquor store. Baka may beer dyan.
then we're gonna sleep na.
Gusto ko ng beer.
Hindi kasi, 7-Eleven.
So how do
Kasi
we
wala
get
nga
there
akong-
dyan kay kuya?
Oo.
Uwiran ito?
Yeah, so,
Medyo
ayun yung KFC. There, sa other side. So, it's go na? Yeah, it's go na.
kailangan makita nila kasi parang dito ito.
Kasi parang hindi sila mag-stop.
Kaya nga nililingon din ni kuya eh. Kasi parang hindi sila nag-stop.
Kasi hindi sila nag-stop dito. Ayan, is that a mall? Ay, parang ano yan? Parang kainan. Doon tayo, tapos punta tayo. Pag ganun doon sa KFC. Parang sarado na yung KFC.
Babe, ay nung makulit.
Akin din. Now, sobrang lamig na.
Hindi lang talaga kita sa video, yan na. Basta kami na lang yun. For the memories.
Ayun, tumata. Mas malamig dito. Ay, oh, we're gonna go up. Wait, ayan. I'm gonna show them. Ay, parang may convenience store.
Open pa kaya?
Oo, open. And then yun, parang kainan ba yan? Ay, barbecue! Parang
Kaso parang take away ba pwede?
Siyempre hindi. Ay, grabe.
Close na pala yung KFC. So, hanap kami ng iba pa. Sana meron pa dito. Ayan. We found this parang mga dim-sum. I think open pa kasi sabi 24 hours ata siya open. Tara, let's try.
Yan, so we found this. So may KFC. I mean, sarado yung KFC. So, forward lang ng onte. And then we found this. Merong set. Merong xiaolong bao. And merong wonton noodles.
Ito, ang sabi mo, preserved duck head. Preserved egg.
My gosh.
One-time porridge. Porridge ito. Ito, changkong.
So, we're gonna order here.
This one?
Yeah, wonton noodle yan, diba? Yeah, one. Wait lang. This is a different than
Hindi ka niya.
yan.
Uy, bakala niya umorder ka.
Wait lang, wait. Iyan mo nga yun, Google Translate.
Hindi na makita eh.
So, yan. Nag-order kami. Ang hirap, guys. Nakita namin to, guys. And may drinks sila dyan. At buti nagkaintindihan na kami.
Coconut water ata.
Where? Coconut water na naman. I think so. Ay, Google Translate mo. So, ayun yung mga drinks sila. Parang Minute Maid ba yun na orange? Ito orange. Ay, parang ito kailangan natin kasi magkakasakit na tayo. Ito, parang mga drinks na vitamin C.
Lime.
The other one is lemon. Lemon ka. Ay, yeah, I think it's ito, coconut water. Ito na lang ako, coconut water. And isang na to. Parang,
Labas ko na parang hindi masyado malamig.
yeah, get? Okay. Get lang daw. And then, yan. Titignan ko lang yung yan yung mga price, guys. This is a new one, ha? So, times 7 or times 8, depende sa ano. So, in order namin, isang nito, shrimp xiaolong bao. Tapos itong set na may kasama na daw, steamed buns. If nakikita nyo. Ayun. Guys, nandito na yung wonton noodles. Legit. From China, wonton noodles. I cannot open.
Oh, that's the bun and xiaolong bao together. Wow, let's eat. Okay, wonton soup. Balas ka? Ang kinakaw na. Bigat nito, pero buka. Tapos ang sarap ng sabaw. Ganun ang pati nila. Vinegar. Harap. Ito kasi baby. Shrimp, like shrimp balls. Pero minced na. Wala siya ng sabaw. So, open mo lang para lang sumingaw na mainit. Diba? Shrimp siya sa loob, guys. I like it about na may shrimp siya.
Na lang, sarado yung cage. Kung hindi, hindi kami ito makikita.
Gods na.
Pero,
Ayun, guys. Sabi mo.
Nika?
yung wow. Na iba. Sarap. Itong akin yung sabi na. Ang ba? Eh, bukas ka masasawalan daw sa happening. Diba? Ito yung soup lang. Yan.
Wala tiyari rin. Sabi siya may katalo.
So baka yun yung 12? 8? Mahal tong soup. 8 yung apat. Ito. Ay, nalaglag. Magaling sa pagmamani tapos sopang. Dip-dip mo yung bread.
Guys, this is XLB China variant. Look. Oh my god. Sorry. Ito pala kanina is the one with the shrimp. Ito yung pork lang. And wala siya masyadong sabaw. But look at this.
什么时候看到的？我们2、3年前都没了。
Guys, this one is, we thought coconut water kasi nga ganyan, tas may coconut, diba? Eh, oh my gosh, lasang gata. So, coconut milk pala siya. So, for the gata tayo tonight, ang sakit sa tiyan nito. This one is, yun, sabi ni Baby, it's not lasang...
It's like matabang na orange siya, parang may hint of lemon.
Yun daw. Anyway, gusto ito, lasang gata. Pero okay naman. Diba? For the XP. Guys, and dito yan siya. Look.
Yan.
Yan siya. Masarap.
Yes.
So, sa kinain namin, Buddha, wonton soup. Wonton soup. And, 4 pieces
Shrimp Xiaolong Bao.
shrimp XLB and 8 pieces
nung
na
parang
steamed pork buns. Ano lang,
49.
49.
With drinks. Itong coconut milk and yung lemon drink.
Yeah, so in peso mga 400 lang yun, diba? Grabe.
Basta I paid 49
Super sulit. Mura
RMB
lang dito. Yeah, anyway, yun. So, yun yung ano namin. Yun yung hotel namin. So, tawid lang.
Yeah.
Yung tapat lang siya. Pero dun tayo tatawid.
Pwede din saan. Nakakaya din.
Yun. So, malamig. Dalian na natin.
Oh my God, sobrang lamig nga.
Okay.
Parang mabibitawan ko yung drink ko, be.
Mamaya na kami mag-vlog. Mag-video. Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Hoy! Guys, we're here at the hotel na. Tapos dito sa lobby ng hotel, merong vendo. And we're trying to buy cotton, which is yun. Kasi hindi namin mahanap. Wala dito. Kaya, Avin na lang yung sobrang layo.
Ended up getting this.
Yun na lang. Sobrang layo sa cotton. Kasi may cotton. Ayan, cotton yan, no?
Pero sakto kasi wala na tayo.
Wait lang. Cotton yan. Pero 16.9. Diba? Ang mahal for a cotton.
40 lang naman.
Eh, ito, Avin, 29 lang. So, parang 200 something lang siya in peso. Eh, medyo mahal yan, diba? Kahit ganyang kaliit, ang alam ko. Tapos yun. So, there. The vending machine. We're gonna go up na. Hindi na tatalo.
Naku, walang view.
My gosh, dito tayo kanina. Ayan na, that's the view. Nakikita ba? Sa 15th floor kami. Lahat kami nasa 15th floor. Okay, so kanina pumunta kami dun sa tea plantation. Tea plantation ba yun? Tama.
Yes.
And we did a little pasalubong shopping. So dun guys, kasi lalagay kayo sa parang conference room, tapos papatikmin kayo ng tea. Tapos magma-magic tricks yun si ate. Wait lang, magtatanggal ako. Magic tricks. If nag-watch kayo ng vlog ni Marvin Samako, makikita niyo yun. And same yung tour guide namin ni Marvin dun sa vlog niya. Yun din yung tour guide namin, si Crystal. Anyway, so we went there nga and nag-offer sila nung tea na nakaka-cleanse daw ng stomach, ng buong katawan. And bumili kami. So, bumili kami ng isa dahil nga nag-magic trick si ate. And nakita naman namin na nawala nga talaga yung, yun?
Mga toxins.
Oo, kasi parang may rice. Tapos nilagyan niya ng betadine. Parang betadine. Tapos hinalo niya. Tapos nilagay niya yung tea leaves na may water, syempre. Tapos nawala yung color nung betadine. Tapos, trinay niya. Meron kasi rin silang binibentang capsule. Tapos, crinash niya yun. Tapos, nilagay niya doon. Ganun din. So, edi, nabudol na naman kami kasi nga, medyo utu-utu kami paminsan. So, bumili kami ng isa lang kasi, pwede yung, yung capsule. Pwede rin yung leaves. So, pag leaves, siya, this is how much, babe? 200 to. Ito yung Emperor. May 2 kinds kasi, Emperor and Empress. And watch nyo na lang yung vlog about yun. So, ito yung binili namin, si Emperor, and 200 yuan siya. Ganito lang siya. And fresh siya kasi pinapack siya sa harap nyo. And then, meron dong store na mga pasalubong. And we bought this. And may free taste naman. So, bumili kami ng pasalubong. This is 4 for 100 yuan. Actually, buy 3 for 100, get 1 free. Diba, babe? Sabi niya. So, tinikman naman ni Janine. And ito yung mga masarap for her. This is yung kulay or candy na kulay orange yung Basta yan yung natikman niya. Yan yung masarap. O baka try nyo. Hindi. Orange yung packaging. And then, so we bought 2 of these. And then, mochi na, Sesame flavor na mochi dalawa. Masarap daw ito. Tinikman mo. And then, we also bought, yun na pala yung haul for today. And yun, ito, bumili kami ng ganito sa vending machine dun sa lobby ng hotel. Kasi nga, we're looking for cotton, pero wala. So, ito na lang. Yun, so, that's it, guys. We'll sleep na kasi maaga kami tomorrow. 8 a.m. ang call time. So, dapat gumising kami before 8 a.m., right? So, that's it. Bye! That's it for day 1. It's Babay's birthday. Happy birthday, Janine, and happy birthday, Christine. Birthday pa rin ni Christine.
Happy birthday, Christine Reyes! Boosh!
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. Bye now. Bye. So we're gonna buy mga pasalubong.